Hey guys, it's Paul. I just want to let you know I've launched a new membership training program for anybody wanting to use Zoho One to manage all of their membership business. It's aimed at sports clubs, large membership communities, maybe people running leagues, all sorts of stuff like that, charities. You might have a membership website. Zoho One can do everything for you. It can do, you know, it's going to manage your contacts. It's going to manage your accounting, your newsletters, any support questions. You can manage inventory. You can do your. You're going to do your. You can learn how to do your email on there. Projects, manage projects, events, stuff like that. Get sign, um, get DocuSign information from people that you need people to sign off from, and obviously subscription payments. So if they pay an annual, monthly, or whatever they pay, you're going to be able to do it all from Zoho One. I am building it at the moment. I have just finished the first four modules, and there's already 25 lessons in there. There's 25 lessons. Understanding Zoho One first, what it's all about. Then we're going to go into set your mail up. We're going to set CRM up. We're going to step by step go through everything, how to set up, how to import your contacts, how to understand everything from leads to sales to setting up subscriptions and Zoho books and everything that's involved in that. There's already 25 lessons filmed, and I haven't got to inventory yet. I haven't got to projects yet, and you'll see I'm actually logged in. I haven't got to even add all these other applications that Click it's a version of, it's almost like Slack communication, placing documents somewhere, surveying, Sales IQ, how you can monitor visitors to your website, social, how to schedule social media posts, the reporting and forms that you can get your customers and your members to fill out forms. You could have a website. You can have your website right there on Zoho One, and then you're going to track all your expenses, your invoices. You can have a checkout page where they can buy one-off things. You can, if you're going to recruit people, you can have a recruiting area. So many things to look forward to, and still lots more things to film. But at the minute, this is now February 26th, 25 lessons. Building your business process from start to finish, making it automated, saving you time, making you money, saving paperwork, being able to email people direct and saying, here's the payment link for your subscription, chasing people up for membership fees and all sorts of things like that. It's just going to save you a lot of time and money. Take it for a test drive. There's a 30-day no questions asked money back guarantee. If you're not happy, I'm not happy, you'll get all your money back. You just say, I'm not happy with this, send me my money back, and in that first 30 days I will happily, if you're not happy, refund you. We're going to have a Facebook group where we're all going to talk and enhance everything you need to know. If there's anything missing, we're going to add it. We're going to take a walk around everything you need. And if we have to go outside Zoho One, which I don't think we will, we'll be adding bits to that as well. So if this is your membership business training, everything in one place, you're not going to need anything else. Zoho One, before you sign up, Zoho One for one user is $35 a month. So be wary. I just wanted to let you know that it is going to cost $35, or it's $30 a month if you sign up annually. If you pay month to month, it's $35 per user. But I use it. You'll see these tabs here at the top. I use it for my business and everything I do, from emails to newsletters to billing to online payments. I'm going to start using it for inventory when I start sending some cups and t-shirts out. And I think it's really cool. So understand it's the training, but you're going to be paying $35 a month to use all these apps. But you're getting 40 Zoho apps at enterprise level memberships. I mean, the Zoho CRM itself is $75 a month just for that one version. You're going to get the whole thing for $35 a month. So give Zoho One a trial. Come and take my training once you've started your trial. And together we're going to get your business flowing. We're going to get you moving faster. We're going to get you tracking everything better. We're going to get you better at customer service. You're probably already good at that sort of stuff, but we're going to make it easier for you to track people, track and send things and follow up and make sure that they've got everything they need. And then I can't tell you how much information is going to be in this training course. So sign up, 30-day money back guarantee. If you're not happy, I'm not happy, you'll get 100% of your money back, no questions asked. So come to paulnicholson.com, or the link you'll see the membership business training and enrolling course. Any questions, you know where I am. Cheers, guys.